Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Icemaker hose kit is probably one of the most overlooked components in your kitchen, but it's absolutely crucial for a functioning ice maker. Whether you're setting up a new refrigerator or replacing an old hose, choosing the right kit can save you from leaks and headaches. In this video, we'll dive into what makes a great ice maker hose kit and help you make the best choice for your needs. Number 5. HippoHose Refrigerator Icemaker Hose, 20 feet. This hose is designed to connect to any standard ice maker and refrigerator supply line. It works perfectly for both homes and businesses. It's compatible with all major refrigerator brands. The hose is UPC certified and AB 1953 lead-free, ensuring your peace of mind. It's safe to use for supplying water to ice makers or refrigerators with water dispensers. Each end of the hose has a 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch connections for a secure fit. The brass fittings provide a solid connection to your refrigerator and water supply. It's also burst-proof to handle higher water pressure. This refrigerator hose is easy to install for both residential and commercial use. It's the ideal choice for homeowners or contractors. You can quickly connect your ice maker or fridge to the water supply. The hose is made from superior grade 304 stainless steel, offering excellent corrosion resistance. It's durable and bends freely without kinking, even in tight spaces. You can have added peace of mind knowing that this product comes with a 5-year guarantee. This ensures that it is a reliable and long-lasting solution for your needs. What we like. This hose offers a universal fit, making it compatible with all major refrigerator brands. It's also built with durable stainless steel and comes with a 5-year guarantee. If you're looking for a reliable and long-lasting solution for your ice maker, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Easy to install. Perfect fit. No leaks. Number 4. Food Grade Refrigerator Waterline Kit. This waterline kit is designed to work with most standard under-sink filtration systems and reverse osmosis systems. It's also compatible with most refrigerator brands and models. It's a versatile solution for your water needs. Made with food-grade materials, this kit meets NSF/ANSI standards and is BPA-free. The waterline splitter is lead-free brass and chrome-plated. It ensures you and your family have access to clean, pure water. The fittings use a push-in quick connect design, making installation simple. Clear instructions are included to help you complete the setup quickly. You'll have it up and running in minutes. The accessories in this kit are made to last. They are extremely safe and durable, so there's no need to worry about replacements for years to come. It's built for long-term use. This kit includes everything you need: 25 feet of tubing, feed water adapters, tees, a shut-off valve, straight fittings, and a compression fitting set. It's a comprehensive solution for your refrigerator and ice maker. What we like. This kit uses food-grade materials and is designed for easy installation with quick connect fittings. It includes all the parts you need, making setup a breeze. If you are looking for a complete and safe solution for your ice maker or RO system, you should consider this. What people say. Good quality product that was easy to install. All parts were supplied. The included metal fitting fit perfectly on the existing cold water valve. The PEX line fit perfectly into the fittings, and fridge water is working perfectly again. Easy to install and plenty of adapters to choose from. Number 3. Stainless Steel Refrigerator Waterline Kit. This ice maker hose is made with food-grade PX materials, ensuring your family enjoys crystal clear ice and pure water. It's BPA-free, non-toxic, and odorless, providing safe and clean drinking water. This 1/4 fitting water line is perfect for various applications, including ice makers, refrigerators, and RO systems. It's compatible with major brands like Samsung, GE, and LG. It is a versatile solution for your water needs. With brass 1/4 compression fittings and a built-in sealing ring, installation is quick and easy. You can complete the installation in minutes, even as a DIY project, and ensure a secure, leak-free connection. The outer layer is wrapped with 304 stainless steel braided wire, providing excellent anti-rust and explosion-proof performance. This ensures a long service life, even in wet environments. The kit includes a T-stop valve for easy water supply branching and control. Clear installation instructions are provided to help you complete the job quickly. Plus, it comes with a 5-year warranty. What we like. This fridge water line features a food-grade PX inner tube and a stainless steel braided exterior for rust-proof and pressure-resistant performance. It also includes a T-stop valve for added convenience. If you like the idea of having a durable and safe water line with extra control, you should consider it. What people say. I was able to install it in a matter of minutes. The kit included everything I needed. The hose is flexible and easy to work with. Number 2. Icemaker and Humidifier Installation Kit. This kit makes it easy to connect to your refrigerator or freezer. You can enjoy fresh water and ice cubes quickly. It's perfect for both ice and water dispensers. Quickly set up your humidifier or evaporative cooler. Attach it to your boiler or furnace and enjoy the results. This durable tubing ensures a reliable connection. The poly tubing is durable and reliable. It ensures your water tastes fresh and pure. This kit includes enough tubing for any installation. The kit includes everything you need: tubing, a saddle valve, and fittings. It's designed with metal fittings for a solid connection. The included instructions make installation easy. You don't need to turn off your water supply. The kit provides step-by-step instructions for easy installation. It also comes with a limited lifetime warranty. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for a quick and easy DIY installation, with lead-free poly tubing. You can easily connect it to your refrigerator or freezer without shutting off the water. If you have a humidifier or evaporative cooler, this kit is also a great choice. What people say. The kit came with all the necessary parts and arrived as scheduled. Super easy installation. All parts fit perfectly, which made a fast and easy replacement. High quality parts. This kit would also be perfect for new installations. Number 1. 15 feet stainless steel braided Icemaker hose. This is a 15-foot, 304 stainless steel braided Icemaker hose. It features 1/4 compression connections. It's designed for durability and easy installation. The hose is built to last. The outer protective cover is made of true 304 stainless steel, which protects against rust and potential bursts. Unlike some other hoses, this one is built for longevity. This hose meets industry standards. It complies with ASME A112.18.6-2017 CSA B125.6-17 and NSF ANSI 61372. You can be assured of its quality and safety. The hose is easy to fit. It connects to your Icemaker with standard 1/4 compression connections. Ensure your Icemaker has a 1/4 compression thread for a perfect fit. This hose provides a generous 15-foot, 180-inch length. This gives you flexibility in placing your Icemaker. It offers a reliable and long-lasting solution. What we like. This Icemaker hose is designed with a burst-proof construction and complies with industry standards. It's also designed for an easy fit with standard 1/4 compression connections. If you are looking for a reliable and safe hose that meets all the necessary standards, this is the one for you. What people say. Always use a braided stainless steel hose, much better quality than a standard hose, and less likely to leak. 1/4-inch compression fittings work like a charm with no leaks. Easy to install because it is flexible and it is more durable than a plastic hose. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.